Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions integrated campus. Estimation, quantity surveying and valuation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous classes, I explained about the estimation of canals and roads, and also we completed problems on earthwork estimation. We'll see some more problems in this video. Here the problem is on the roads. A cement concrete road, the ratio is 1:2:3. Okay, that is cement concrete. Cement is 1 and sand is 2 and concrete is 3 ratio. Is to be constructed over the existing waterborne macadam road, WBM road. What is that? A CC road is constructed on WBM road. What you are observing in the your colony roads. The thickness of slab 100 centimeters. She generally asks slabs from 10 centimeters to 150 or 200 centimeters. The length of the road is 1 kilometer. What is the length of the road? 1 kilometer. Width of the road is how much? 3.6 meters. We are asked to calculate the quality of cement, quantity of cement in concrete and material required. Here, quantity of cement, what is the quantity of cement we have to calculate? That is our problem. Now, in this one, what he is given, we will see. Here, if you see, what is given in this one? Now we'll observe here. See, the ratio is given. Okay, that's good. And here, see, suppose what is the thickness? Say D. Here we will use capital letters. D is equal to how much given? 10 centimeters, right? Okay. See, here I will use this for your convenient. But to increase the size, right? Here, okay. Now we will see here D is equal to 10 centimeter thickness. Then how to convert into meters? That 10 centimeters divided by 100. Okay. Here, how you are going to calculate? For 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So we are going to convert into meters. That is equal to 0.1 meter, right? So thickness we calculated into meters, right? See what more he has given in the problem we have to see. Okay, and see next one is given is length of the road. Length of the road is equal to how much is given? 1 kilometer, right? See, if you see this one, and one more what data given for us, width is equal to how much given? 3.6 meters. Yeah. Now, if you observe this, this is the data given for us in the problem, right? See here, if you see this data, okay, now we will see data given. We are asked to find quantity of cement concrete. Here depth is given 10 centimeter, that we converted into meters. Listen carefully here. We have to convert this 10 centimeter into meters. Now length equal to 1 kilometer, that is equal to how much? 1000 meter. You know 1000 meter, how you got? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So we converted length into meters. Then width is given 3.6 meters, right? So here, see, calculate your quantity. What is the quantity of cement concrete? So that is the question. Okay, what is the quantity of cement? That is the question here, right? Here, what is the quantity? That is the question. Now, how to calculate quantity? Okay, so here quantity of cement concrete of the road see here, this I will extend this one here. Quantity of cement is equal to, what is the formula here? As you know from the beginning, L multiplied by B multiplied by H, okay, or D. See here, L stands for length, B stands for width, and HRD stands for depth. As the quantity formula, LBH, this is you know very well, booking dimension orders, that how to find the quantity of any structure, that you know very well. We are going to calculate the quantity of cement concrete of the road for 1 kilometer. Now here values, what are the given? L is equal to how much given? See, 1000 meters. 1000 meters. How you got it in meters? You multiplied by 1000 for 1 kilometer. Given is 1 kilometer length. Then you have to convert into meters. So L is equal to 1000 meters. Now, what is W? W is nothing but width, you can say is B. Width is equal to B. So here B equals how much given? Given in the problem is 3.6 meters, right? Now H or depth. So depth or H is equal to directly given how much? 3.6 here 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters already here we converted into meters. That is 10 divided by 100. Always remember, it is given in mm, you have to divide by 1000. It is given in centimeters, so by 100, right? So similarly, that is equal to, you will get, you got, this is 0.1 meters. Now, what is the formula to calculate quantity of cement, right? So quantity is equal to, as you know, as we mentioned here, you know, quantity is equal to L into H into L into B into H or depth is equal to, here, if you observe this one, 1000 meters, right, multiplied by B 3.6 meters into depth is equal to how much here? 0.1. 0.1. Okay. If you see here, you take calculator here. You can take from calculator. Okay. Here you can take calculator. Here take the calculator, the values. This is 1000 multiplied by how much? 3.6 multiplied by 0.1. This is equal to how much? 360 got, right? This value is 360. What is the unit? Cubic meter, right? So cubic meter. So the quantity of cement road, quantity here, quantity of cement concrete, of cement concrete is equal to 360 cubic meters. So this is the, in this way we have to calculate the problem, right? Okay, so you first of all you convert into all units, all given data into meters, then you have to substitute in the formula, that is quantity is equal to LBH, that you will get the total quantity of cement. Okay, so this is the problem, and here, okay, see quantity of this cement road equal to 360 cubic meter. This is answer. This way we have to complete the problem. Thank you.